Stellantis CEO Resignation, a turning point in the automotive industry. Breaking news in the automotive world. Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares has officially stepped down, effective immediately. This unexpected resignation marks a significant shift for the world's fourth-largest carmaker, just as it navigates a challenging market landscape. The decision comes amidst a sharp decline in sales. In July, Stellantis reported a staggering 48% drop in net profit for the first half of the year compared to 2023. Critics, including dealers, have pointed to the company's lack of affordable vehicle options as a major factor in this downturn. In a statement, Stellantis Senior Independent Director Henri de Castries acknowledged different views between Tavares and the board as the driving force behind the resignation. For now, Stellantis Chairman John Elkann and a special board committee will lead the company until a new CEO is appointed. The goal is to have the new leadership in place by mid-2025. Tavares leaves behind a mixed legacy. Under his leadership, Stellantis successfully navigated its merger and became a global player. However, recent challenges, including supply chain issues and rising competition from Chinese automakers, have tested the company's resilience. As the auto industry continues to evolve, all eyes are on Stellantis to see how it will adapt under new leadership. We'll keep you updated as this story develops. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more breaking news from the automotive world. Subscribe for more updates!